Let us say, students, we have to discuss about the nervous system. As we have discussed yesterday or in previous lecture, that nervous system is the network of nervous organ, nerve cells and neurons which are control and coordinate the body by the different activity performed by the different organs in our body with the help of nervous system. And we have to discuss about the different word. First of all, we have to discuss about the stimulus. Stimulus means जो संवेदनाएं होती हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं कि the things which is happen in the internal and external environment, or I have written that it is an agent or factor or changes in the external or in internal environment due to which there is changes in the condition of our body. As we have discussed on that day, that suppose that anyone is sitting in a proper way and suddenly anyone have fires a pin in his body unknowingly. In this situation, what will happen? The person which was sitting properly without any disturbance or become disturbed. क्या होगा? अचानक वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. Why? Because he has received the message that anyone has pierced the pin in his body or anything happen in their body. That is the external condition. There are internal situation also. Sometimes we feel pain in our stomach, we feel headache problem, or there are many things which is realized by our body. So that stimulus is the agent or factor which is changes in the external and internal environment. And this internal environment or external environment changes is received by our body by the nervous system. The next thing is the response. If any stimulus is created, then we are able to realize that what is going to happen or what is happening right now by the organisms. It is called as the response. It is called as the कोई स्टिमुलस क्रिएट हुआ और उस स्टिमुलस को हमने क्या किया? रिस्पॉन्स दिया. मतलब उसको हम जानने की कोशिश किए, समझने की कोशिश की. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? दैट इज द रिस्पॉन्स. आई हैव मेंशन हियर दैट रिस्पॉन्स इज द रिएक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू द स्टिमुलस. रिएक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स टू द स्टिमुलस. अचानक आप नंगे पांव चलते हुए जा रहे थे और आपके पैर में कांटे चुभ गए, आपका रिएक्शन होगा. दैट रिएक्शन इज द रिस्पॉन्स. आप चलते हुए जा रहे थे, अचानक रास्ते में आपको कहीं सांप दिख गया. इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हाट विल हैपन? यू बिकम फ्राइट. दैट इज द रिएक्शन. या आप अचानक बैठे हुए हो, घर पे सोए हुए हो और कोई आपके ऊपर लाठी चलाना शुरू कर दे. इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हाट विल यू डू? यू विल प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ. That is the reaction, and this reaction is called as a response. This reaction is called as a response. The next one is, students, a receptor. These are the important topics about which we should know. Receptors. Receptors are the cell or the tissue or the organs which are capable to receive the stimulus. Receptors are the cell. मे बी वो हमारी बॉडी की एक सेल हो सकती है, टिश्यू हो सकता है, ऑर्गन हो सकता है, जो स्टिमुलस को क्या कर रहा है? रिसीव कर रहा है. जैसे सपोज दैट दिस इज माई हैंड, आई हैव बीटन हेयर, आई हैव पिंच्ड हेयर. हमने यहां काटा, तो जब यहां हम काटे या हमने पायर्स किया, पिन को पायर्स किया, तो इसकी जो मैसेज होगी, यह मैसेज हमारे ब्रेन को जाएगा, हमारे बॉडी को जाएगा. तो मैसेज को ले जाने वाला जो है, जो रिसीव कर रहा है, ले जा रहा है, दैट इज द रिसेप्टर. दैट इज द रिसेप्टर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, रिसेप्टर मीन्स द organ, cell or tissue of our body which are capable to receive the message from external and internal environment and transfer it to the brain. और ट्रांसफर इट टू द स्पाइनल कार्ड। अभी ये चीजें आई नहीं है, स्पाइनल कार्ड और ब्रेन, इसलिए हम इसके बारे में अभी नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं। वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस लेक्चर, about the topics after this lecture. Receptor, is it clear? I think you all have understood. The next thing, that is the effector. Receptor and effector working together, students. Receptor, those who is receiving the message from the external and internal environment and transfer it to the brain. Effector are the organs. It is also the cell or tissue or the organ through which we are able to know that what is going on in our body. Effector are the organs. I have written here that effector are the muscles, gland, tissue or cell which act in response to a stimulus received from the nervous system. Received from the nervous system. Suppose that आप चलते, सभी चीजें एक जैसे हैं इसलिए थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगता है, क्योंकि सब एक जैसे हैं। आप चलते हुए जा रहे थे और आपके पैर में कांटा चुभा, आपके पैर में शीशा लगा, आपने रिस्पांस दिया, आपके रिसेप्टर ने आपके बॉडी को मैसेज दिया कि तुम्हारे पैर में कुछ चुभा हुआ है। उसके बाद आप अपने पैर को देखोगे, आफ्टर देन यू विल एबल टू सी द लेग्स दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, कांटा चुभा है या शीशा लगा हुआ है। तो दैट इज द इफेक्टर, दैट इज द इफेक्टर। चोट लगी, चोट कहां लगी? इट इज caused by the message which is created in the brain and it transfer from brain to the effector organ. ठीक है, तो effector organ are those organ or those cell or those tissue or those glands in our body which is responsible for the action. For example, in class 8th you all have studied about the endocrine glands. Those glands which are able to release different type of chemicals in the form of hormones, and that hormones have a particular action on the target cell. तो that is the effector organ. हमारी पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड हमारे बॉडी के डिफरेंट endocrine glands को मैसेज देती है. There is the releasing of different type of hormones, that is the TSH, FSH, ADH, and many others. Hormones are released by the pituitary gland, and that pituitary gland release the different type of hormone to stimulate the other endocrine glands. एग्जाम्पल के लिए मैं एक एग्जाम्पल आपको बताता हूं, इस चैप्टर में पढ़ना भी हमको endocrine glands. From pituitary gland there is the releasing of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone release होता है, and that TSH activate the thyroid gland to release the thyroxine. तो यदि थायरॉक्सिन रिलीज होगा तो उस थायरॉक्सिन का पर्टिकुलर एक्शन होगा किसी सेल पर, दैट इज द टारगेट सेल. तो वह टारगेट सेल क्या होगी? इफेक्टर होगा. दैट टारगेट सेल विल बी द इफेक्टर. हम उतना डीप नहीं जाएंगे, सिर्फ जान लें कि इफेक्टर आर दोज मसल्स, दोज ग्लैंड्स, टिश्यू और सेल वेयर द रिस्पांस टू स्टिमुलस रिसीव फ्रॉम द नर्वस सिस्टम. मींस क्या होगा? आपको एंट बाइट कर ली, चींटी काट ली. चींटी काटने के बाद आपके ब्रेन को मैसेज गया कि तुम्हें कुछ काटा है. फिर आप उस ऑर्गन को देखो कहां काटा है, तो जहां देखो जिसका इफेक्ट आया वहां, दैट इज द इफेक्टर. दैट इज द इफेक्टर ऑर्गन. जहां आपने महसूस किया कि यहां पर कटिंग हुई है, यहां आपको चोट लगी हुई है, दैट इज द इफेक्टर. आई होप दैट यू ऑल आर एबल टू नो. आफ्टर देन वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फर्दर टॉपिक्स, different type of receptor which is present in our body. What are the different type of receptor that is present in our body? We have to discuss about it, students. Let us see one by one. We will see. We have to discuss about the receptor, or we called as sensory receptor. We have to discuss about sensory receptor. Yes, students, these are the receptor which are able to receive the message from different environment, maybe external or internal. Let us see. The first one is photoreceptor. Photoreceptor. Second one is gustatoreceptor. What are the function of these different type of receptors which is present in our body? We will see it later. Photoreceptor, gustatoreceptor. Second one is olfactoreceptor. The fourth one is statoreceptor. Receptor. Fifth one is pen. Fifth one is pen, or we called as pressure. Pen and pressure. There are other receptor also, but we have to study about these only. First of all, we have to discuss about the photoreceptor. As the word given here, photo means light. Photo means light, means detect the light to form the image, means such type of receptor that is present in our body which receive the light to form the image is called as photoreceptor. Then obviously, if there is the formation of image, then the organ which is responsible for this photoreceptor is the eye. Is the eye, means we can say that this photoreceptor is present in our eye which receive the light and form the image, that is called as photoreceptor. That is called as photoreceptor. Once more, students, photoreceptor means the detection of light to form the image in our body, and the receptor which is present in the body is the eye. Eye, you can say, let us see, detect light, to form image. यदि आपसे पूछा जाए कि कहाँ ये उपस्थित होते हैं, यू कैन से दैट इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द आई. इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द आई. द नेक्स्ट वन इज गस्टेटोरेसेप्टर. गस्टेटोरेसेप्टर, यस स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द डिटेक्शन ऑफ टेस्ट. दिस इज द गस्टेटो. गस्टेटो का मतलब ही होता है कि हम टंग की बात कर रहे हैं. अदर नेम ऑफ टंग, गस्टेटरी आर्गन. ठीक है, टंग. गस्टेटो मीन्स डिटेक्शन ऑफ टेस्ट. Detection of taste. Then where these receptors are present in our body? In the tongue. These gustatoreceptors are present in the tongue region. You all have studied that there are the taste bud which detect the different type of taste. So it is present in the tongue. This gustatoreceptor are helpful to detect the various taste. वो साल्टी लग रहा है फूड, या सॉर लग रहा है, बिटर लग रहा है, स्वीट लग रहा है, it is detected by the tongue. Means this gustatoreceptors are present in the tongue. The next one is olfactoreceptor. Olfactory organ हमारा ईयर होता है. olfacto की बात कर रहा है. Means we are asking for the detection of smell. This smell, olfactory organ. Sorry, olfactory organ means such type of organs in our body which is helpful to smell. Which is helpful to smell is called as olfactory organ. क्या होगा? Nose. what will be the organ which is helpful in the receiving of smell? That is the nose. So this olfactory receptor means what can we say? We can say that the nose, that the nose or the nasal cavity which are able to detect the smell. Detect smell. इतना पर्याप्त है. स्मेल लिख दिया, इसका मतलब आपको पता है. हमने लाइट लिख दिया, इमेज की बात कर लिए, तो यू नो अबाउट इट दैट देयर इज द डिस्कशन ऑफ आई, देयर इज डिस्कशन ऑफ टंग इन केस ऑफ टेस्ट, देयर इज डिस्कशन ऑफ नोज and nasal cavity which is able to detect the smell, that is nose or nasal cavity. Now statoreceptor, we have to discuss about the statoreceptor. Yes students, the statoreceptor are the organ which is detect the change in equilibrium in our body. Change in equilibrium. Detect the equilibrium. इक्विलिब्रियम इन और बॉडी, यह वर्ड आपके लिए नया आया हुआ है. इक्विलिब्रियम क्या होता है? यस स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इक्विलिब्रियम means there is the detection of equilibrium, means there is maintenance of balance in our body. हमारी बॉडी में बैलेंसिंग होता है, हम अपने आप को बैलेंस करते हैं. तो वह जो बैलेंसिंग होता है, वो बैलेंसिंग किसके द्वारा होता है? हमारे ईयर के द्वारा होता है. और ईयर इज, इसको हम लोग डिटेल में भी पढ़ेंगे जब हम लोग ब्रेन को डिस्कस करेंगे, तब कि ब्रेन के कौन कौन से पार्ट हैं. दैट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ posture and position of our body. Detect the equilibrium, and it is detected by the inner part of our ear. हम सिर्फ यहां लिख देते हैं ear. The next one is pain and pressure. Pain and pressure. Yes students, we realize the pain, we realize the pressure in our body, and these receptors are present in the skin of our body. These receptors are present in the skin of our body. What can you say? We can say that locate in skin. These are located in the skin. And the next one is phonoreceptor. एक और आप जान लो. Phonoreceptor, as the word given, phonoreceptor means we are asking about the sound. तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? Detect sound. Detect sound. And we know about it that the organ which is responsible for it is ear. There are two situations in which we have to study about the ear. Detection of equilibrium means maintain the posture and position of our body is also maintained by the ear. And there is the detection of sound. It is also performed by the ear. So these are the different type of sensory receptor which is present in different parts of our body, students. Now we have to study, we all have studied about the sense organ in lower classes, that in our body there are sense organ, and that sense organ are responsible for the detection of different type of sense. I hope you all have remember about the sense organ. You all have studied that there are 5 sense organ. कौन से हैं वो? What are the 5 sense organs that is present in our body, students? Yes, the 5 sense organs that is present in our body are eyes, ear, nose, skin, tongue. These are the 5 sense organ, and these 5 sense organs are able to detect the sense. So due to this, they are called as sense organ. They are called as sense organ. How many sense organ are present? 5 sense organ. Five sense organs. वो 5 कौन कौन से हैं? आई, ईयर, नोज, आई, ईयर, नोज, और आगे बताओ आप, टंग एंड स्किन. टंग, स्किन. These are the 5 sense organ that is present in our body, which are helpful in the detection of sense. Maybe sense of smell हो सकता है, sense of light हो सकता है, sense of taste हो सकता है, sense of touch हो सकता है, pain and pressure हो सकता है. All these senses are received by the sense organ that is present in our body, and these sense organ are written here. Many times it is asking that write the different sense organ in our body. तो आप भूलने लगो कि क्या पढ़े थे हम. It should be in our mind. Let us see. The next topic that we have to study is the structure of neurons, because we have to do the detailed study of nervous system. Then we will discuss about the structure of neurons or structure of nerve cells. Structure of nerve cell. Yes, students, in class 9th you have discussed about the nerve cells. Structure was given in your book. If you will see the structure of nerve cell, we can say you can see the figure. It is given in your book, students. Let us see. This structure is given in your book. I'm going to draw it in detail. There is the covering. This figure is given in your book. That is the structure of nerve cells or neurons. First of all, we have to label it. We have to label it. These thread-like structure are called as dendrites. Are called as dendrites. This is cell body. This is cell body. This is the nucleus. Nucleus. This portion is, this tail-like structure is called as axon. The covering over the axon is myelin sheath. माइलिन शीथ या माइलिनेटेड शीथ भी इसको हम कहते हैं, MYELENE, माइलिन शीथ. ठीक है. And at many places there are node-like structure. I have drawn here, students. Node-like structure दिख रहे हैं, जिनको हम कहते हैं node of Ranviers. Node of Ranviers, and it is called as nerve ending. It is called as nerve ending. Let us see. In which, in inner portion, grain-like structure are situation here. These grain-like structure are called as Nissal's granules. Granules, and these are the ribosomes. These are the ribosomes. Let us see. This is the structure of one nerve cell. This is the structure of one nerve cell, students. First of all, one thing should be on mind कि there are many nerve cells and all nerve cells are connected with each other. यह तो एक nerve cell का figure मैंने बनाया. This is one nerve cell. The other nerve cell start from here. फिर उसके आगे एक होगी. Means one nerve cell is connected with each other. एक का head दूसरे के सेल बॉडी से क्या होगा, अटैच होगा. एक का जो नर्व एंडिंग होगी दूसरे के सेल बॉडी से अटैच होगी. एक की नर्व एंडिंग सपोज कर लो दिस इज द हेड or this is the cell body. This cell body is attached to the nerve ending of other neurons. एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होंगे. क्या करेंगे कनेक्ट होकर, आगे पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर. दिस स्ट्रक्चर we have drawn is the structure of nerve cell or neurons, in which we have discussed about the dendrites. These dendrites are able to receive the stimulus or receive the message from external environment and transfer it to cell body. क्या करेंगे ये डेंड्राइट्स, मैसेज को रिसीव करेंगे और रिसीव करके सेंड करेंगे किसको, इस सेल बॉडी को करेंगे. इन सेल बॉडी there is the nucleus also, there are the ribosomes also. If there is presence of ribosomes, students, then these ribosomes are able to prepare the